Menteri Rangba ukonrat ki sangma ula Bynta Iamir bat Iathir jingmut haka national seminar Halor kapang ka Jingioh Bynta ki Kynthei samla bat longkume ka than chatei lam mi kari India hai ki Lympung Paidbah kapang Iamir bat Iathir jingmut haka ktien pareng kalong. Representation of Women of Northeast India in Multidisciplinary Discourse kabala long hadon Bosco College Tura haka arpaphratarik uyayong. Yakani ka Lympung Iamir bat Iathir jingmut Halor katega phang lapanya da katanat Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC jongkani ka college. Menteri Penroy Jingnang Jingtep ka jilla rakam e sangma uladon bantalang hakani ka national seminar.
Half empty, or you can look at the glass and say it's half full. And I think it's important to realize that while we are addressing concerns and issues that are there for anybody, be it farmers' issue, be it issues related to women, be it reservation issues, all of these issues that are going to confront us as we move forward in all policy making and all the decisions that we need to take, we need to realize that we need to have a very, very positive mindset in terms of what we're looking at. Now, having a positive mindset doesn't mean that we overlook the problem. Absolutely not. We have to realize that the problem is there, but it is the way in which you look at the problem. Do you look at it in a positive manner, or you look at it in a negative manner? Because if you look at it in a negative manner, then all you will do is keep finding problems and problems and problems and problems and keep repeating the problems again and get nowhere. But if you have a positive mindset, then you will look at the problem and say, well, what can I do about it? What is the solution to that problem? How can I change things? How can I improve things? How can I make things better? And I think that is key to ensuring that what we do today, what we discuss today, actually fructifies into something that's going to be meaningful. Now today we'll end this 2-day seminar and maybe we'll meet again after 3 years or 2 years for another seminar. But the question is, don't we want real change? Don't we want what we discuss in the seminar today? Well, if you realize that, well, it's going to be the small key to ensuring that what we do today, what we discuss today, actually fructifies into something that's going to be meaningful. Now today we'll end this 2-day seminar and maybe we'll meet again after 3 years or 2 years for another seminar. But the question is, don't we want real change? Don't we want what we discuss in the seminar today? Well, if you realize that, well, it's going to be the small things that we do. If it's a small self-help group that needs to be helped today, and that will ensure that the livelihood of the women goes up, and that will then increase the overall economic empowerment of the women in that particular group, and that will lead to overall improvement in the health aspects also for the women. I think it's important that we are able to create this positive mindset. I call it a happy mindset. That's what I call it. So that's the reason why we had this happiness index which we're bringing in, which is going to be very, very exciting, by the way. And I keep telling people that happiness is really more internal than external. You can have everything and you can be unhappy, and you can have, well, not everything, but still be satisfied with what you have. Thank God for what He's given to you and blessed you, and move forward in a positive manner. And I think it's important that when we address an issue that is so broad in nature, with so many factors and so many problems that are there, I think it's important that we have a positive mindset in terms of how we're going to move forward and find different solutions in this. Now, I don't want to go into the subject matter.